You say goodbye. I say hello, hello. Do you not want me to film you? What about those? No! No more chips. No more chips. I know you like chips, but I'm not opening those chips. These? No chips. Nope. No chips. Ask mommy. Ask mommy.
No. They're fun. I'm gonna look into getting some rubber mats for the back.
Here, fine.
I don't know how to argue with him.
But he just dumped all the.